chapter, right? Last time we have seen some of the sentences. By the way, what did you practice at home? Can you please tell me? Yes,
That,
guys, can
this,
you tell me
those,
practiced? Oh, that's good. This, those,
that,
yes, that.
and also we are using that one is in the past.
Okay, now before we go ahead, would like to tell you is that daily practice you have to do at home. And what are you going to practice? By me, through my terminology, is what? Point number one. You are going to practice at home, first of all, listening to the tape scripts. Do you know two audios I have given you?
Okay.
Yes, Rohit. Yes, Mr. Zubair. Mr. Omer.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
There
sir.
are two audios which I have given you. Tape scripts audios are there. Okay. You have to listen those audios daily.
Okay.
आपको वो ऑडियोज डेली सुनना है, जितना हो सकता है उतना ऑडियो सुनो.
Yes, sir.
10 मिनट, 20 मिनट, 1 घंटा, 2 घंटा, 50 घंटा दिन भर सुनो, नो प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल. बिकॉज इफ यू आर गोइंग टू लिसन, अभी हम लोग क्या करते हैं, कोई गाना वगैरह सुनते बराबर ना, एक बार सुनते, 2 बार सुनते, 3 बार सुनते, 4 बार सुनते, और 10 बार सुनने के बाद में 11वीं बार खुद गाना स्टार्ट करते. ये सुनो,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
इसको बोलते हैं ब्रेन हैमरिंग. इससे होता है ब्रेन हैमरिंग. सो दिस इज व्हाट एग्जैक्टली यू आर गोइंग टू डू. आप भी यही करने वाले हैं. करना क्या है अभी आप लोगों को, दैट यू आर गोइंग टू लिसन दोस टिप स्ट्रिप्स. आपको टिप स्ट्रिप्स को बार बार सुनना है. जितना आप सुनेंगे उतना आपको आएगा, जितना आप सुनेंगे उतना आप लोगों का लैंग्वेज फ्लुएंट बनते जाएगा. सो यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस एट होम स्पेशली फॉर लिसनिंग. पॉइंट नंबर 1. पॉइंट नंबर 2 इज व्हाट? वर्ब्स. अब आप लोगों को वर्ब्स याद करना है. बिकॉज सी, मैं आपको स्टार्टिंग में अवेयर करा रहा हूँ, बाकी बैचेस लोगों ने, बैच की जो स्टूडेंट्स लोग गलती करते हैं वो आप लोग ने नहीं करना चाहिए गलती. इज दैट क्लियर?
Yes.
सो दिस इज व्हाट योर फाइल. ये मैंने फाइल आपको दिया हूँ, इसका सेपरेट एक फाइल बना के मैं आप लोग को आज के आज में व्हाट्सएप पे सेंड करने वाला हूँ, चाहिए तो. ओके, सो द फर्स्ट होमवर्क इज व्हाट? यू आर गोइंग टू
Listener.
प्रैक्टिस एट होम. व्हाट?
Yes.
लिसनिंग.
Listening.
ओके, डेली यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस एट होम लिसनिंग. 1 घंटा, 2 घंटा, 50 घंटा, जितना सुन सकते सुनो. रात को सोते टाइम पे सुनना सबसे बेस्ट है वो. ओके, लिसनिंग डेली योर टेप स्क्रिप्ट्स. अगर वो टेप स्क्रिप्ट्स अगर आप लोगों ने अच्छे से सुना, मैं आपको आगे चल के IELTS की टेप स्क्रिप्ट दूंगा जो कि फ्री ही रहेगी एकदम मेरी तरफ से. ओके,
Okay.
IELTS का डेटा बाहर लोगों को 50-50, 60-60 हज़ार रुपए में मिलता है. मैं आपको वो डेटा फ्री में दूंगा अगर आप लोग ने इसको प्रैक्टिस किया तो.
Right.
Second thing, second homework for you daily is what? Learning verbs. Learning verbs. ये verbs क्या होता है? क्रिया, action, काम. For example, going, coming, sleeping, slapping, sitting, roaming. ये सुनो, मतलब यानी आना जाना, खाना पीना, रहना, उठना, बैठना, सोना, बीना, ये सब क्या है? हमारा verbs है. If you want to make good sentences in English, you should know good verbs. आपको अच्छे verbs आना चाहिए. तो verbs का पहला sheet ये है. So you have to learn daily 2 to 5 verbs, 3 to 5 verbs, okay, according to your capacity. अब verbs क्या होता है? Action होता है. For example, अभी जैसे कि action है, आना जाना, खाना पीना, रहना, सोना बीना, ये सब क्या है हमारा? ये सब under the actions आता है ये. Okay? तो आपको ये डेली का आप लोगों को पढ़ना है. डेली आपको ये actions के बारे में पढ़ना है. For example, break. Break का मतलब क्या होता है? तोड़ना. Second form is what? Broke. And the third form is what?
Broken.
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 आपको ये हो गया एक वर्ब. ऐसा आपको डेली के 5 वर्ब्स याद करना है. इट इज 1. ब्रेक मतलब तोड़ना. सेम केस डू. डू मतलब करना. व्हाट इज द पास्ट फॉर्म ऑफ डू?
Did.
डिड. एंड थर्ड फॉर्म?
Done.
डन. लाइक दिस. दिस इज व्हाट डू. ऐसा आपको 3 से 5 डेली के वर्ब्स याद करना है. किसको क्या बोलते हैं? गो एंड जस्ट पुट इन दिस फर्स्ट फॉर्म इनटू द डिक्शनरी एंड यू विल गेट द मीनिंग. एंड गेट द मीनिंग एंड ट्राई टू लर्न इट विद द मीनिंग. उसको मीनिंग के साथ में याद करो. जितना हो सकता है उतना याद करो उसको. Is that clear?
Yes.
Right.
So this is what the first sheet, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth and 10th. There are 10 sheets. पूरे 10 sheets है इसके अंदर. देखो अभी आप लोग कब तक करते हैं इसको. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अब जैसे कि यहाँ पे वर्ड्स है, आधे से ज़्यादा इसके अंदर से आपको पता रहेगा, बट जो नहीं पता आपको वो यूज करना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यहाँ पे भी एक वर्ड है फ्ली. व्हाट्स द मीनिंग ऑफ फ्ली?
Fly.
नहीं, मैं फ्लाई नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ. आस्किंग फ्ली, FLEE, फ्ली. व्हाट्स द मीनिंग ऑफ फ्ली? कितने लोगों को मालूम है?
Flee.
ये अपना मेन बात है. मैं आपको यही समझाना चाह रहा हूँ कि अपने को सेंटेंस बनाने के लिए जो वर्ड चाहिए वो अपने पास में नहीं है, वो आप लोग को याद करना है, वो आपको पार्ट करना है, वो आपको लर्न करना है. इफ यू आर लर्निंग दोज वर्ब्स यू कैन मेक एनी सेंटेंसेस. अब मुझे इंग्लिश में बोलना है राहुल अपनी बात से मुकर गया, अपने प्रॉमिस से पलट गया, उसने पलटी मार दिया. इंग्लिश में कैसे बोलेंगे? राहुल अपनी बात से पलट गया, पलटी मार दिया राहुल ने. इंग्लिश में कैसे बोलेंगे? वाजिद भाई कैसे बोलेंगे? रोहित भाई कैसे बोलेंगे? जुबैर भाई कैसे बोलेंगे?
Rahul flee on his what?
मैंने आपको फ्ली बताया, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि उसका मीनिंग फ्ली का मतलब वही रहेगा. तो यस यस यस.
मल्टी.
अब आप लोग को थोड़ा सा टिप्पणी गुल हुआ है कि नहीं?
यस सर.
समझ में आ रहा है? मतलब यानी हमको वो वर्ड नहीं मिल रहा है कि बाबा उस तरफ बोलना क्या है. वहां पे मैं आपको एक ही चीज दिखाऊंगा. राहुल कैप्साइज्ड फ्रॉम द स्टेटमेंट, फ्रॉम द टॉक, फ्रॉम द स्टेटमेंट. अपनी बात से पलट गया राहुल. कैप्साइज्ड, पलट गया है. क्या ये आपको वर्ड मालूम था पहले? कैप्साइज
No.
नहीं पता था, तो इसको भी अपने को याद रखना है. और वो कैसे मिलेगा आप लोग को? वो इधर लिखा हुआ दिख रहा है आप लोगों को वर्ब्स के इसमें. ओके, ये आपको मालूम होना चाहिए कब क्या यूज करना. फ्ली, फ्ली का मतलब होता है फरार होना, भाग जाना. फ्ली का मतलब होता है भाग जाना. फ्ली. अब फॉर एग्जाम्पल अ प्रिजनर फ्लीज फ्रॉम द जेल. प्रिजनर कैदी भाग जाता है जेल से. फ्ली मतलब भाग जाना, फरार हो जाना, पड़ून जाने. ठीक है. सो दिस इज व्हाट एग्जैक्टली यू कैन यूज दीज वर्ड्स. अब समझ में आप लोग को वर्ब्स का क्या करना है. सो आई हैव गिवन यू 2 टास्क फॉर एवरी डे, लिसनिंग एंड लर्निंग वर्ब्स. ओके. टास्क नंबर 3, 3 होमवर्क मैं आपको दे रहा हूं. पहले मैंने आप लोग को दिया है लिसनिंग. लिसनिंग व्हाट? लिसनिंग
Audio.
टेप स्क्रिप्ट्स ऑडियो. करेक्ट.
Yes.
Number 2, learning verbs. Okay, learning verbs. And number 3, reading. Reading what? Reading tape scripts. Okay, reading tape scripts. आपको टेप स्क्रिप्ट्स को भी रीड करना है. कौन सी टेप स्क्रिप्ट्स? मैं भी आप लोग को दिखा रहा हूँ. जिसका मैंने आप लोग को ऑडियो दिया उसी का मैं आप लोग को क्या दूंगा?
रिटर्न.
करेक्ट. उसको ही मैं आप लोग को देने वाला हूँ रीड करने के लिए. ये टेप स्क्रिप्ट्स है अपना. दिख रहा है? ये थोड़ा गंदा हो रहा है. आपको मैंने अच्छा वाला दिया हूँ, आप वहां से डाउनलोड कर सकते हो उसको. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस दिख रहा है आप लोग को? ये दिख रहा है लिखा हुआ? ये टेप स्क्रिप्ट्स है. ये टेप स्क्रिप्ट्स को आपको डेली पढ़ना है. अच्छा वाला किधर गया यार? नहीं मिल रहा है अभी वो. ओके चलो जान दो, यहाँ पे ध्यान दीजिए. तो दिख रहा है आप लोगों को टेप स्क्रिप्ट्स. इसी टेप स्क्रिप्ट्स को आपको डेली पढ़ना है. इसके अंदर 1 यूनिट पढ़ने का. दिख रहा है आपको? ये यूनिट 1.2, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4. डेली एक यूज लेने का और उसको पढ़ने का. डेली उसको लेने का, पढ़ने का, सुनने का, पढ़ने का, सुनने का, पढ़ने का. 10 बार सुनो, 5 बार पढ़ो. 50 बार सुनो, 25 बार पढ़ो. चलता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, parents and children. My name is Paul. I'm married and my wife's a doctor. We have 2 children. My daughter is 8 and my son is just 3. My name is Isabel. I'm 19 years old and I'm a student at university. I have one brother. His name's Alan. My mother's a teacher and my father's a taxi driver. Okay? समझ में आया आप लोग को? तो उसको जितना ज्यादा हो सकता है आप लोग उसको रीड करो, सुनो. रीड करो, सुनो. रीडिंग एंड लिसनिंग, रीडिंग एंड लिसनिंग. ओके. तो आप लोग को जितना ज्यादा हो सकता है उतना ज्यादा आप लोगों को करना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, precious stones. This is a gold sword and it's from Istanbul in Turkey. And as you can see, it has lots of diamonds on it and 3 very big emeralds. Now this is a very beautiful brooch. It's from the USA. It has about 100 very small diamonds in it. And this necklace has rubies and diamonds in it. It's very old and it's from France. And this is a very beautiful green bottle. It's from India. And it has red and green stones on it. The red stones are rubies and the green stones are emeralds. तो जैसा फॉरेनर लोग बोलते हैं आप लोग वैसा बोलना स्टार्ट हो जाएंगे. So this is what you have to do exactly. Listening and reading. Listening and reading. For example, who's who? A is Donna. She's a police officer. She's 20. She's from Scotland and she has a grey car. B is James. He's a student. He's 17. He's from Ireland and he has a red car. C is Alice. She's a singer. She's 19. She's from Wales and she has a white car. And D is Bob. He's a waiter. He's 18 years old. He's from England and he has a green car. Okay? तो जैसा वो बोल रहे हैं आपको भी वैसे ही बोलना है. So listening and reading ये दो टास्क आपके रहेंगे. Reading in the morning, listening at night. आप लोग को सूट करता रहेगा वैसे आप लोग पढ़ सकते हैं. And learning your verbs. Is that clear?
Yes.
Good. So this is what the task. जो भी बंदे ने टास्क किया उसको मैं मेरी तरफ से गारंटी देता हूँ कि आपको इंग्लिश आएगा. और जो बंदे ने टास्क नहीं किया उसको मैं गारंटी देता हूँ कि आप लोग इंग्लिश के हमेशा भिखारी बन के रहेंगे. नो इंग्लिश. जैसे भी फिलहाल में लोग कैसे पैसे के भिखारी रहते हैं अपन इंग्लिश के भिखारी रहेंगे. दैट हमारा इंग्लिश नहीं है. क्यों? क्योंकि अपन ने होमवर्क नहीं किए. तो सो दिस इज व्हाट अभी से याद रखना. अगर आप लोग को आगे प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं चाहिए तो प्लीज प्रैक्टिस दिस एट होम. इज दैट क्लियर?
Yes.
Let's go about. Next one is what? Last time we have done that was, correct?
Yes.
You want to ask any questions regarding this that was?
No.
When do we use that was? When something is away and when something is singular.
Singular.
When something is away and when something is singular. Okay? For example, that was a door and we use was for past tense. Okay? That was a door. Was that a door? That wasn't a door. That was a class. Was that a class? That wasn't a class. That was a charger. Was that a charger? That wasn't a charger. That was a watch. Was that a watch? That wasn't a watch. That was an earplug. Was that an earplug? That wasn't an earplug. Okay? So I want you to make sentences once again with that was so we can go ahead smoothly for the next one today itself. All right? And see, one more thing would like to tell you guys that tomorrow I'm going to start a new topic. So yaad se absent raho pura aata phir. Okay? Hello?
Yes. Yes.
हाँ बोल रहे.
No, sir.
ओ यू खतरनाक बोले हो. यस बोल रहे हैं. देखो दोनों भी. मैं बोला कल याद से एब्सेंट रहो तो बोला हाँ यस सर याद से एब्सेंट.
मतलब ठीक से सुनते नहीं.
करके आप लोग ठीक से सुन रहे नहीं है तो अरे भाई दूसरा सुनेंगे नहीं तो कैसे आएगा. ओके लेट मी आस्क यू वन क्वेश्चन प्लीज. वाजिद भाई. हेलो.
Yes, sir.
गुड. रोहित भाई. जुबैर भाई. उमेर भाई. वाजिद भाई. हेलो. मिस्टर वाजिद, आर यू एबल टू लिसन मी? कैन यू प्लीज अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ फास्टर? I want to ask a question and you have to answer me quickly. Yes, Mr. Wajid. Hello. He's not able to answer me. I think he's unable to unmute himself. I'm going to ask a question to you and you have to answer me quickly. Please, all of you, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Okay? ध्यान देना है. मैं कुछ पूछ रहा हूँ. एक रात है जहाँ पे 3 जगह पे आग लगी है. एक रात को 3 जगह पे आग लगी है. हॉस्पिटल में, मंदिर में और स्कूल में. हॉस्पिटल में, मंदिर में और स्कूल में एक रात में तीनों जगह पे आग लगी है सेम टाइम पर. हॉस्पिटल में, मंदिर में और स्कूल में. एम्बुलेंस सबसे पहले आग बुझाने कहाँ पर जाएगी? यस.
तो एक बार वापस बता सकते हो?
मैंने बोला कि एक
हाँ.
रात में 3 जगह पर आग लगी है. हॉस्पिटल में, मंदिर में और स्कूल में. ओके? एक रात में 3 जगह पर आग लगी है सेम टाइम पर. तीनों जगह जल रही है. हॉस्पिटल में, मंदिर में और स्कूल में. एम्बुलेंस सबसे पहले आग बुझाने कहाँ पर जाएगी?
Hospital.
एम्बुलेंस कभी आग बुझाती है क्या?
फिर भी वही बोला है.
सत्यानाश.
फायर ब्रिगेड बोले ना सर आप?
मैंने एम्बुलेंस बोला और आप लोग मेरे को बोल रहे हॉस्पिटल में है क्या? अरे यार
एम्बुलेंस बोले क्या? वॉइस.
अरे यार अभी आप लोग मेरा
वॉइस
क्या आप लोगों ने मेरा
वॉइस ब्रेक हो रहा था सर थोड़ा सा.
आओ गब्बा सा है ना. सर भाई देखो अभी बोले वॉइस ब्रेक हो तो वॉइस ब्रेक होतं ना. तर मी तर बरोबर आन्सर दिला असतं. मग मी काय. चलो इसको बोलते हैं ना अपना कान तेज रखो. ओके तो लेट मी
हाँ।
उस दिन मैंने आप लोग को एक और क्वेश्चन पूछा था, आपके बॉस ने आपको फोन किया, देखो वाजिद भाई का खतरनाक आदमी हो रहे हैं, अभी अनम्यूट किया अपने ने। हेलो ओके चलो लेट्स गो फॉर द नेक्स्ट वन। We are connected to almost that. Okay, no problem at all. Let's go for the next one. Let's start it, please. Can you please make sentence with that was? All of you, please make sentence with that was. Let's have 2 to 3 rounds. Then we are going to go for the next one. Okay, faster. Make sentence with that was. Jaldi jaldi
That
karo.
was a taxi. Was that a taxi? That wasn't a taxi.
Good.
That
That was
was
a
right.
wire. Yeah, go ahead.
That was a rider. Was that rider? That wasn't rider.
Good.
That was an electrician. Was that an electrician? That wasn't an electrician.
Good.
That was a company. Was that a company? That wasn't a company.
Good.
That that was mobile. Was that mobile? That wasn't mobile.
A mobile. Very good.
A mobile.
That that was a calendar. Was that a calendar? That wasn't a calendar.
Very good.
That was a stationery.
Calculator.
Was that a stationery? That wasn't a stationery.
Very good.
That was a student. Was that a student? That wasn't a student.
Good.
That was a best friend. Was that a best friend? That wasn't a best friend.
Very good.
That was an archaeologist. Was that an archaeologist? That
An
wasn't archaeologist.
archaeologist. An archaeologist.
An archaeologist.
That was a barber. Was that a barber? That wasn't barber.
A barber. Very
A
good.
barber.
That was an aerostesses. Was that an aerostesses? That
An
wasn't
an
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 aero.
an air
And
hostess. An air
yes, and
hostess.
yeah, an aerostesses.
Very good. Yes.
That was a teacher. Was that teacher? That wasn't a teacher.
Yes.
That was a stapler. Was that a stapler? That wasn't a stapler.
Good. Yes.
That was an instructor. Was that an
Instructor. Instructor.
instructor? Instructor. That wasn't an instructor.
Good.
That was an advocate. Was that an advocate? That wasn't an advocate.
Very good. An advocate.
That was shirt. Was that shirt? That wasn't shirt.
Very good. Yes.
That was an AC. Was that an AC? That wasn't an AC.
Very good.
That was a piano. Was that a piano? That wasn't a piano.
Good.
That was an accountant. Was that an accountant? That wasn't an accountant.
Very good.
That was train. That was that train. That wasn't a train.
Very good.
That was a park. Was that a park? That wasn't a park.
Very
That
good.
was an exit. Was that an exit? That wasn't an exit. Exit.
Good.
That was a patient. Was that a patient? That wasn't a patient.
Good.
That was office. Was that office? That
An
wasn't
office. An
an
office.
office. That wasn't an office.
Very
That
good.
was a guitar. Was that a guitar? That wasn't a guitar.
Very good.
That
All
was a
right.
sink.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
That was a sink. Was that a sink? That wasn't a sink.
Good. Can you please turn off the background noise? Next one. Yes, give me please some more sentences. That was.
That was a car. That wasn't a car.
Was that a car?
Was that a car? That wasn't
That
a car.
wasn't a car.
That wasn't car.
Yes.
You ask about those or that?
Pardon?
You ask about those or that?
That.
Okay.
That was a car. Was that a car? That wasn't a car.
Yes. That was a pen. Was that a pen? That wasn't a pen.
Good. Yes. All right. Please pay attention here. Now we are going to have sentence with these were. Okay. These were. Sentences with these were. These were. Now when do we use these? When do we use these?
Away and plural.
Correct. When something is away and when something is plural. अब जब कोई चीज यहाँ से सॉरी गलत हो गया वो. These I'm asking you. These मतलब है नहीं नजदीक होता है. When something is near and when something is plural. जब कोई चीज नजदीक है और एक से ज्यादा है तो हम लोग वहां पर यूज करेंगे these. Okay. For example, these when something is near when something is plural. ये मेरे नजदीक है क्या मेरी fingers. When something is near and when something is plural we use that these. For example, these are fingers. And when do we use were?
Past.
Correct. For past tense, we are going to use the were. For example, I can say these were fingers. When something is near, when something is plural. For example, these were pens. ये pens थे. These were keys. ये keys थे. So when something is plural and when something is near, we are going to use there these, and we are going to use were for past tense. For example, these were peddlers. Question:
Were these
were these peddlers?
peddlers?
Negative.
Where
Oh, this one
one
Want.
one
peddlers.
peddlers.
One बोलते हैं
Want.
अपन वैसे बोलना है want. These want peddlers.
Want.
Okay. These were peddlers. Were these peddlers? These weren't peddlers. These were peddlers. Were these peddlers? These weren't peddlers.
This
All
one.
right. So this is what
This
exactly
one.
you're going to do. These were peddlers.
हाँ peddler नहोता.
ये peddlers थे. क्या ये peddlers थे? ये peddlers नहीं थे. These were peddlers. Were these peddlers? These weren't.
This one peddlers.
Okay. So I want you to make sentences with these words now. These were. These were. And see, tomorrow I'm going to start a new topic, so please don't be absent now. कल हमारा एक नया topic start होने वाला है. Please don't be absent.
Yes,
These
sir.
were. Can you please make sentence? Have you got it, Jess? When do we use these were? When something is near and when something is away. Sorry, when something is near and something is plural. Sorry. When something is near and when something is plural, we are going to use there these were. Is that clear?
Yes.
Good. So these were मतलब यानी ये थे. So these were peddlers. Were these peddlers? These weren't peddlers. These were valets. Were these valets? These weren't valets. Can you please give me some sentences with these were?
These were dogs. Were these dogs? This one dogs.
Very good.
These were candy. These were candies. Were these candies? Uh, these weren't
Weren't candies.
weren't candies.
Very good.
These were chopstick. Was this chopsticks? These weren't chopsticks.
Very good.
These were wallets. Were these wallets? This one wallets.
Very good.
These were dangerous ladies. Were these
Amazons. These were Amazons.
okay? I'm
What is meaning?
खतरनाक औरत. मंडल के अध्यक्ष.
these were Amazons. Were these Amazons? These weren't Amazon.
Very good.
These were caretakers. Were these caretakers? This weren't caretakers.
Good.
These were flowers. Were these flowers? These weren't flowers.
Good.
These were wizards. Were these wizards? These weren't wizards.
Wizards. Good.
These were subways. Were these subways? This one subways.
Subways. Good.
Yes, subways.
Very good. These were. Yes.
These were perfumes. Were these perfumes? These weren't perfumes.
These were harpies. Were these harpies? These weren't harpies.
Good.
These were tracks. Were these tracks? This one tracks.
Very good. Pretrix.
So this is only X or maybe yes, X.
No, only X. Pretrix.
Pretrix.
And American people, they put their ES as well. They say Tretrixes.
Okay.
These were stallions. Were these stallions? These weren't stallions.
Good.
These were servants. Were these servants? These weren't servants.
Very good. Servants.
This, these were benches. Were these benches? This one benches.
Very good. Yes.
These were chefs. Were these chefs? These weren't chef.
Good.
These were families. Were these families? These weren't families.
Want families.
One. Okay.
Good.
These were top. Were this top? This one top.
Very good.
These were rabbits. Were these rabbits? These weren't rabbits.
Want rabbits. Very good. Yes.
These were drops. Were these drops? This one drops.
Good.
These were an apple. Were these an apple? These weren't an apple.
Is it correct?
No, and these were an apples.
Because these were apples. And he said an apples. Plural hai bhai. And
These
comes
were an apples.
one. So we should not put there. Hai na Zubair bhai?
What?
Can we put there an?
We
No,
can
sir.
use and now. This is a pro.
Oh my God. Bhai plural hai. I told you that day only that an means what? One. A means what? One.
One.
Yes or no?
Yes, yes,
One.
Hello, continue.
yes.
Yes.
Please class में आओ रे. Please class में आओ. Empress Garden में मत बैठो please.
These were pens. Were these pens? These weren't pens.
Pens. Next. These were pickpocketers. Were these pickpocketers? These weren't pickpocketers. These were janitors. Were these janitors? These weren't janitors.
These were robbers. Were these robbers? This were this one robbers.
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 These were
Rotten apples. Were these rotten apples? These weren't rotten apples.
rotten apples. Yes.
These were columns. Were these columns? These weren't columns.
Good.
These were forests. Were these forests? This one forest.
Very good.
These were deeps. Were these deeps? These weren't deep.
Dips. Very good.
These were days. Were these days? There weren't days.
Dates. Good.
These
Dates.
were plants. Were these plants? This one plants.
Very good. Yes.
These were choppers. Were these choppers? These weren't choppers.
Very good.
These were robbers. Were these robbers? These weren't robbers.
Very good. Robbers.
These were ceilings. Were these ceilings? This one ceilings.
Very good. Yes.
These
were
forests. Were these forests? These weren't forests.
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 Yes.
These were tuxedos. Were these tuxedos? These weren't tuxedos.
Very good. Tuxedos.
These were rabbits. Were these rabbits? This one rabbits.
Rabbits. Good.
Rabbits.
These were bees. Were these bees? These weren't bees.
Very good. These were bees. Were these bees? These weren't bees. Next.
These were paces. Were these paces? This one paces.
Nice. These were paces. Were these paces? These weren't paces.
Yes.
These were wrestlers. Were these wrestlers? These weren't wrestlers.
Very nice. Very nice.
These were hives. Were these hives? These
hives.
weren't hives.
Good.
These were dams. Were these dams? This one dams.
Very good. Dams. Dams.
Dams.
Yes.
These were yachts. Were these yachts? These weren't yachts.
Good.
These were bikers. Were these bikers? There, these weren't bikers.
Very good. And see this, the word is what? Were. अपन बोलते हैं were खाली
हाँ, were.
were. उसको where नहीं बोलना है, क्योंकि अगर आप if you are saying where, someone will think that you are talking about this where. It is what? Were. Okay, where नहीं है, क्या बोलेंगे उसको?
Were.
Were.
Were. Very good.
This were.
Continue. These were.
Yes. This were. Uh,
These were.
These were watches. Were these watches? These weren't watches.
Very good.
these were mobiles. Were these mobiles? These weren't mobiles.
Very good.
These were charger. Were these chargers? These weren't chargers.
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 These were chairs. Were these chairs? These weren't chairs.
Very good. Take new words. These were.
These were sticks. Were these sticks? These weren't sticks.
Very good. Sticks.
These were snappers. Were these snappers? These weren't snappers.
These were dairies. Were these dairies? These weren't dairies.
Good.
These were lions. Were these lions? These weren't lions.
Very good.
These were potters. Were these potters? These weren't potters.
Very good.
These were wardens. These were wardens.
Were
Were
these-
these wardens? These weren't wardens.
Very good. Next.
These were questions. Were these questions? These weren't questions.
Very good. Yes.
These were solicitors. Were these solicitors? These weren't solicitors.
Solicitors. Yes.
These were ward boy. Were these ward boy? These weren't ward boy.
Correct him. These were ward
Ward
boys.
sorry. Ward boys.
Plural. Girlfriend.
This-
Girlfriends.
These
आता
were
है,
wardens. Were these wardens? These weren't wardens.
Very good.
These were bakers. Were these bakers? These weren't bakers.
Very good.
These were porters. Were these porters? These weren't porters.
Very good.
These were snippers. Were these snippers? These weren't snippers.
Snipers.
Snipers.
These-
Snipe. I is a snipe. Snipe.
Yeah, both are correct. But American people, they say snipers.
Okay. Snipe. So generally, what should I say? Sniper or sniper?
You can say snipers and you can say sneakers. Both are correct.
Okay.
Both are correct. One is American and another one is British.
What about India?
Our Indian is snipers.
Sniper. Sniper.
Sniper. Nice. Continue.
These were desires. Were these desires? These weren't desires.
Very good.
These were disadvantages. Were these disadvantages? These weren't disadvantages.
These were barristers. Were these barristers? These weren't barristers.
The sound will come here. Z. Yes or no?
It's
Yes.
Is the
Ending with SE.
yes.
बता रहा है
right.
कुछ?
Yes.
Yes. These these were. उसको this were नहीं बोलना. These were.
These were.
Yes.
These were desires. Were these desires? These weren't desires.
These weren't desires. Very good. Next.
These were nurses. Were these nurses? These weren't nurses.
Very good.
These were housebreakers. Were these housebreakers? These weren't housebreakers.
Very good.
These were earphones. Were these earphones? These weren't earphones.
Earplugs. Very good. These were earplugs. Were these earplugs? These weren't earplugs. Next.
These were weak points. Were these weak points? These weren't weak points.
Very good. Next.
These were dairies. Were these dairies? These weren't dairies.
Good. Yes.
These were old schools. Were these old schools? These weren't old schools.
Old schools. Very good. Next.
These were jars. Were these jars? These weren't jars.
Very good. These were jars. Were these jars? These weren't jars.
These were peddlers. Were these peddlers? These weren't peddlers.
Very good.
These were curses. Were these curses? These weren't curses.
Verses. Yes.
These were nurses. Were these nurses? These weren't nurses.
Very good.
These were companions. Were these companions? These weren't companions.
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 Very good.
Companions.
These were
These were signs. Were these signs? These weren't signs.
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 These were carelesses. Were these carelesses? These weren't carelesses.
Okay. Yes.
These were applications. Were these applications? These weren't applications.
Very good.
These were guises. Were these guises? These weren't guises.
Good.
Guises
were-
or guys? What exactly?
We must say, see, guys, we must say. Guys. Guys.
Guys, no? Not
Guy,
guys.
guy
Guys.
plus guys. Plural is what guys.
Okay, not should say like guises, right?
Guys is not guys is not correct. Guys is
Okay.
correct. Guys.
Guys.
Good.
Guys.
These were good deeds. Were these good deeds? These weren't good deeds.
Good. Yes, continue.
These were mistakes. Were these mistakes? These weren't mistakes.
Mistakes. Very good.
Mistakes.
These were LEBs. Were these LEBs? These weren't LEBs. These were hurdles. Were these hurdles? These weren't hurdles. Yes.
These were credless. These were these credless. These weren't credless.
Very good. Yes, these were
These were good deeds. Good deeds.
worthy.
Were these
Good deeds.
good deeds? Were these good deeds? These weren't good deeds.
Very good. These were good deeds. Were these good deeds? These weren't good deeds. Next.
These were doomsdays. Were these doomsdays? These weren't doomsdays.
Very good. Doomsdays. Very good. These were doom days. Were these
Not
dooms?
dooms in the right?
Yeah,
doom.
doomsdays. These weren't doomsdays.
But both are plural, no? Dooms and like
Yeah.
S is there, right?
But actually, we are going to consider the second one is here. Doomsday. Day is
Okay.
important word.
Okay.
Yeah. Doomsday. Doom is the name of that day.
Okay.
Doomsday.
Plural.
Yes, continue. These were
These were applications. Were these applications? These weren't applications.
applications. Applications.
Okay, application.
Very good. These were applications. Were these applications? These weren't applications.
These were festivals. Were these festivals? These weren't festivals.
Festivals. Festivals.
These were cradles. Were these cradles? These weren't cradles.
Cradles. Cradles. Very
Cradle.
good. These were cradles. Were these cradles? These weren't cradles.
Cradles.
Yes. Yes.
These were bottles. Were these bottles? These weren't bottles.
Very good.
These were these were plurals. Were these plurals? These weren't plurals.
Very good. Yes. Anything else? These were. Okay. The last one we are going to have here, and that one is what those were. Now, when do we use those?
They.
Away.
Correct. When something is away and when something is plural. Manje, te,
Te.
oh, wo sab. Okay. When something is away and when something is plural. And when do we use were? Were
In the past.
in the past. Very good. Plural and past. For example, those were. Matlab yani wo the. I can say those were. मतलब यानी वो थे. For example, those were curtains. Question.
For those curtains,
Very good. Were those curtains?
those weren't curtains.
Negative.
Those
Those
one
weren't curtains.
Those once
one
One
content.
curtains. वो curtains नहीं थे. Those were curtains. Were those curtains? Those weren't
curtains.
curtains. Is that
Sir,
clear?
Yes.
जे 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 पण जे भी आ सकता है ना, मतलब दस मतलब बोलते ते, और जे भी आ सकता है ना,
हो जे पण येऊ शकतो.
जे.
जे ते जे आपण बोलू शकतो. For example, those were mice. Were those mice? Those weren't mice. Those were cupboards. Were those cupboards? Those weren't cupboards. Those were chauffeurs. Were those chauffeurs? Those weren't chauffeurs. Those were peddlers. Were those peddlers? Those weren't peddlers. Those were realtors. Were those realtors? Those weren't realtors.
Those
Okay.
students, ये बोलते हैं.
Those were students. Were those students? Those weren't students. So
Okay.
I want you to make sentence with those were. Those were मतलब यानी वो थे, ते होते, थे मतलब ते होते.
Okay. Sir, only those students, उसका क्या हो सकता है?
Those students, they students.
ते, और जे भी हो सकता है ना. अभी I have listen in college. Those student have that as like this.
Correct. It is also correct. See, I will tell you. Those students are failed. They fail झालेले आहेत. Those students are
Fail.
और क्या बोल सकते हैं? Those students are
Absents,
my friends.
my friends.
ते students माझे friends आहेत.
हाँ.
Those म्हणजे ते जे
student.
तिथे थांबलेत जे तिथे थांबलेत ते माझे students.
हाँ.
Those students.
और ऐसा बोले जे स्टूडेंट मतलब जे थांबलेले आहेत ते माझे मित्र आहेत असं.
Same.
सेम. हाँ.
तिथे थांबलेत ना ते माझे students आहेत. ते माझे friends आहेत.
फ्रेंड्स आहेत.
Those students are my enemies. माझे शत्रू दुश्मन आहेत ते.
ते किंवा जे.
जे किंवा ते दोन्ही correct.
Okay.
Okay, can you please give me some sentences now with those were? They hote. Those were. Yes, those were.
Those were palaces. Were those palaces? Those weren't palaces.
Very good.
Those were my
Were those maps?
You continue.
And see, I have one thing for you. Please, all of you, pay attention. You have to record a video today. Okay? What video are you going to record? You are going to record your self-introduction. Okay? On video.
Okay.
Camera, you're going to record it. आपके phone पे record करो, कैसे भी record करो, and send it to me. Okay?
Yes, sir.
1 or 2 minutes video. That's it. Only you have to give your self-introduction without saying in front of the camera. All right?
Yeah.
Handsome नहीं
Yes.
दिखे तो भी चलेगा, but आवाज handsome आने उनका. पाउडर लगा रखा है मैं इधर, ऐसा नहीं कुछ भी, but English का काम एकदम कड़क चाहिए उसके अंदर. Okay?
Yes.
Good. So
How
I'll
good.
be waiting for your video till the evening. Okay? If possible, so shoot it today itself and send me.
Yeah.
All right. Continue.
those were continue.
Those were toppers. Were those toppers? Those weren't toppers.
Very good. Next.
Those were my professors. Were those my professors? Those weren't my professors.
Very good.
Those were padlocks. Were those padlocks? Those weren't padlocks.
Padlocks. Yes.
Padlocks.
Continue.
Those were wallets.
Were those?
Were those wallets? Those weren't wallets.
Very good.
Those were orphans. Were those orphans? Those weren't orphans.
Orphans. Good. Next.
Those were stingies. Were those stingies? Those weren't stingies.
Very good. Next.
Those were monks. were those monks? Those weren't monks.
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 Good.
Those were stereos. Were those stereos? Those weren't stereos.
Statues.
No, stereos.
Spell it.
Stereo.
Okay, stews.
Stereo.
Good. Yes, continue.
Those those were forts. Were those forts? Those weren't forts.
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 Good. Forts.
Forts.
What do you mean by urchin?
Urchin.
अर्चना तो रोहित को मालूम है. What is अर्चिन? लावारिस.
अरे भाई.
माँ भी नहीं है, बाप भी नहीं है. That's called अर्चिन. मराठी
अर्चिन.
मध्ये काय म्हणतात त्याला अर्चिनला?
लावारिस.
लावारिस म्हणतात.
अभी बोले आप सर. अनाथ.
अनाथ वेगळा असतो.
Orphans.
अनाथ म्हणजे ऑर्फन. फेकायचं नाही.
Orphans.
ऑर्फन म्हटलं अनाथ.
अनाथ म्हणजे ऑर्फन.
ऑर्फन.
अर्चिन म्हणजे काय असतं?
अर्चिन.
मी महाराष्ट्र माझा मराठी येत नाही आपल्याला. राज ठाकरेला बोलायला पाहिजे आपण.
अर्चिन नसलेला एकच मिनिट सांगतो. काय असतं?
तिला फोन लावा. काय म्हणतात तिला? काय त्याला मजाक कर रहा हूं. See, ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है. अभी देखो, अभी अपने को पूरा मराठी आ सकता है क्या? ऐसा पॉसिबल है क्या? पूरा मराठी मालूम रहेगा? सेम केस. हिंदी पूरा हिंदी नहीं आता है. अभी जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल उमेर इज देयर, राइट? उमेर इज फ्रॉम उर्दू मीडियम.
Yes.
उमेर, डू यू नो फुल उर्दू?
No, sir.
वेरी. इतना टाइम क्यों लगा रहे नो बोलने में? नो जल्दी बोलने का. नहीं मालूम. वेरी गुड. क्योंकि हाँ अगर किसी ने बोला तो फिर मैं तो छोड़ूंगा नहीं. Why? Because this is what my guarantee. उर्दू हिंदी वाले को हिंदी नहीं आता है और मराठी वाले को मराठी नहीं आता है.
मराठी नहीं आता है.
पूरा नहीं आता है. क्यों मालूम है क्या? क्योंकि अपन उतना डीप में नहीं पढ़ते हैं और उतना जरूरत भी नहीं होता है. पहली बात तो समझे क्या? उतना जरूरत नहीं होता है. इसकी वजह से उतना डीप में अपन नहीं पढ़ते. तो जस्ट रिमेंबर, इंग्लिश तो बाहेर का लँग्वेज आहे. तो अपने को पूरा मतलब एकदम 100 कट टू कट म्हणजे 100% यायला पाहिजे. असे जे बाहेर ऍडव्हर्टायझिंग लोकांनी केले ना 100% इंग्लिश शिका, नाही तर तुमचे पैसे रिटर्न.
रिटर्न.
हाँ, ये सब झूठे बात है सब वो. उन लोगों को पूरा खुद को नहीं आता है. गारंटी है. अभी हिंदी के अंदर एरोप्लेन को क्या बोलेंगे?
एयरप्लेन.
हवाई
जहाज तो उर्दू में बोलते हैं. आई एम आस्किंग इन हिंदी.
हाँ, हवाई जहाज उर्दू में.
हवाई जहाज बोलते हैं उर्दू में. हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं?
विमान. वैमान.
तो मराठी मध्ये विमान.
विमान मराठी मध्ये.
हिंदी में भी वही है.
ओ हिंदी में वो नहीं है. कुछ भी. क्या झूठे लोग हैं आप लोग. भारत मेरा देश है, सभी वासी मेरे भाई और बहने. भाई है पर बहने नहीं है.
वो भी झूठे सर. सभी भाई मेरे भाई. फिर भाई को कौन है?
रोहित को कितना पड़ेगा ना. भाई को कौन है मग माझी.
फिर आई भी कौन है? मौसी है.
ग्रेट. सही है. कितना शरीफ बच्चा है ना बेचारा रोहित. आई मौसी है ना मेरी. हिंदी में हवाई जहाज को बोलते हैं, एरोप्लेन को बोलते हैं उड़न खटोला. अगर अपन किसी को बोलते हैं मैं आ रहा हूँ उधर उड़न खटोले से, पहुंचो तुम उधर, तो बोलेगा
उड़न खटोले में चली.
डोकर पडले का जरा. बघ ना काय बोलायला लागले. उड़न खटोल्यामध्ये यायचे. भैया जरा दूरध्वनी यंत्र का चार्जर दो. काय चार्जर पाहिजे? मोबाईलचा चार्जर. अरे इथे तुला 2 देतो जरा. मोबाईलचा चार्जर द्या. हे काय दूरध्वनी यंत्रचा चार्जर द्या. ओ भ्रमण ध्वनी यंत्र चालू करा जरा. काय? टीव्ही. So this is what Hindi. Okay, let's go. Continue, please. Continue.
Those were ponds. Were those ponds? Those weren't ponds.
Very good. Yes.
Those were t-shirts. For those t-shirts, those one t-shirts.
Very good.
Those were my accounts. Were those my accounts? Those weren't my accounts.
Good. Yes.
Those were roosters. Were those roosters? Those weren't roosters.
Good.
Those were janitors. For those janitors, those one janitors.
Very good.
Those were hoardings. Were those hoardings? Those weren't hoardings.
Very good.
Those
Hoarding.
were Those were tricks.
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 Were those?
Were those tricks?
Very good.
Those weren't tricks. Tricks.
Tricks.
Tricks.
या
Yo.
बोलायचं आपल्याला तिला. हॅलो अगं ऐक ना, तू ट्रेट्रिक्स आहे. काय बोलला? चांगलं नाव आहे इंग्लिश, ठेवून टाक.
Those were rabbits.
क्या है tricks?
गद्दार.
गद्दार. अरे भाई भाई.
Those were rabbits. Were those rabbits? Those one rabbits.
Very good. Yes.
Those were rivers. Were those rivers? Those weren't rivers.
Rivers. Good.
Those were drakes. Were those drakes? Those weren't drakes.
Very good.
Those were vixens. Were those vixens? Those weren't vixens.
Vixens. Yes, Mr. Zubair.
Those were servants. Were those servants? Those one servants.
Servants. Very good.
Those were covens. Were those covens? Those weren't covens.
Covens. Very good. Those were
Covens.
covens. Were those covens? Those weren't covens. Yes.
Those were
were
monks.
bands. Yeah, continue.
Those were those monks. Those weren't monks.
Mice. Mouse will become mice.
So, monks.
Yes.
Continue.
Those were burns. Were those bands? Those one burns.
Those were bottle caps. Were those bottle caps? Were those weren't bottle caps?
Very good. Bottle caps.
Bottle
Yes.
caps.
Mr. Omer, you
Those-
were saying something. Can you repeat once again?
Sir, what does it mean by monk?
Monk. Monk मतलब यानी सन्यासी जो शादी वगैरह नहीं करता है. Those were
Old.
monks. Were those monks? Those weren't monks. Yes.
Those were stallions. Were those stallions? Those one stallions.
Very good. Stallions. Yes, those were मतलब वो थे.
Those were nannies. Were those nannies? Those weren't nannies.
Good.
Those were orphans. Were those orphans? Those weren't orphans.
Very good.
Those were wizards. Were those wizards? Those one wizards.
Very good. Wizards. Yes.
Those were harpies. Were those harpies? Those weren't harpies.
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 Yes.
Those were dens. Were those dens? Those weren't dens. Dens.
Dens.
Want.
Good.
Those were battalions. Were those battalions? Those weren't battalions.
Very good.
Those were lakes. Were those lakes? Those weren't lakes.
Very good. Yes.
Those were candles. Were those candles? Those weren't candles.
Candles.
Those were
आपला only English, brother. Only English.
okay. Sorry. Those were nuns. Were those nuns? Those weren't nuns.
Very good. Those were nuns. Were those nuns? Those were nuns. Yes.
Those were landmarks. Were those landmarks? Those weren't landmarks.
Very good. Yes.
Those were warehouses. Were those warehouses? Those weren't warehouses.
Good.
Those were relatives. Were those relatives? Those weren't relatives.
Good. Yes.
Those were coffins. Were those coffins? Those weren't coffins.
Very good.
Those were receivers. Were those receivers? Those weren't receivers.
Very good.
Those were emperors. Were those emperors? Those weren't emperors.
Emperors. Very good.
Emperors.
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 Those
Emperors.
those were menu cards. Were those menu cards? Those weren't menu cards.
Very good. Do you have any questions regarding this?
No.
No, sir.
No.
Any questions? So finally, we have finished our singulars and plurals over here, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So I would like to tell you is that tomorrow I'm going to start a new topic, which is really very, 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 very important topic. So please don't be absent. Tomorrow I'm going to start a new topic, and that's what uncountables in English. All right.
Okay.
Yes.
So please don't be absent. And if you'll be absent, then may God help you. Okay. And see if you have any other friends who want to join classes. I'm going to start new batches, face-to-face batches in camp from 1st of December. And in this class also, you can tell your friends and they can join too. All right.
Yes.
Yes.
Don't be absent tomorrow on time.
Yes.
Thank you.
Sir,
Cheerio.
sir,
Yeah.
सर सर मैंने एक फ्रेंड को बोला था, मतलब ने क्या बड़ा है मेरे भाई जैसा है, अभी वो जॉब वर्क करता है, उसको बोला एडियो। हाँ हाँ, तो वो बोला कौन सा शब्द है, क्या उसने सुना नहीं था, तो उसने गूगल किया तो मेरे पीछे लग रहा है पूछ, मतलब वो बोल रहा है कि फ्रेंच है वो एडियो।
एक्चुअली सी फ्रेंच वर्ड ही है एडियो, बट
हाँ।
इंग्लिश में फ्रेंच लिया है उसने। दिख रहा है आपको? देखो मैं आपको डायरेक्टली डिक्शनरी दिखा रहा हूँ।
ओके ओके।
दिख रहा है आपको डिक्शनरी?
हाँ।
अब उसके अंदर देखो क्या लिखा हुआ है, एडियो। तो मतलब क्या होता है? गुड बाय।
गुड बाय।
देखो दिख रहा है आपको एडियो,
यस
गुड
सर,
बाय।
यस सर।
ये फ्रेंच वर्ड है बट इंग्लिश ने लिया है। अभी अगर ऐसा रहता था तो इंग्लिश की डिक्शनरी में दिखाता था क्या?
हाँ हाँ, नहीं।
करेक्ट। अभी वरांडा है, मराठी मध्ये वरांडा म्हणतात, बरोबर ना?
हाँ हाँ,
इंग्लिश में भी उसको वेरांडा बोलते हैं, उसको वेरांडा,
वेरांडा।
क्योंकि वो इंग्लिश ने मराठी से लिया वर्ड वो।
मराठी। ओके, मतलब ये उन्होंने अभी फ्रेंच से लिया है वो।
करेक्ट, एग्जैक्टली।
ओके, ऐड किया। पर फिर सर ऐसे क्यों करते हैं, मतलब?
सपोर्ट करने के लिए। उसके पीछे बहुत बड़ा लंबा सिस्टम है, मैं आपको कल बताता हूँ कि ऐसा क्यों करते हैं, कैसे करते हैं। सब आपको मैं कल एकदम फुर्सत में बताता हूँ कैसे क्यों होता है। कल मेरे को आप याद दिलाना, मैं आपको कल एक्सप्लेन करूंगा।
यस सर, हाँ, ओके चलेगा।
ओके,
या ओके सर,
Thank you. Yes.
एडियो।
एडियो।
Thank you.